can jump so close to the boat. It's sick. Oh, I'm still flying. What the fuck? Hi guys, welcome to Jamie's Kite Life. It's still super early in the morning. It's 6:30. We could have went even earlier, but it wasn't strong enough, and now it looks like the wind is picking up. So the plan is to take the 9-meter Rebel D-Lap on the twin tip and see if it's enough today for some twin tip loops. So stay tuned. So we're going for the early morning session. So the wind didn't arrive in the morning. They said that it was going to be like 25-30 knots, but there was only like 15, so I didn't go out in the morning. But now the wind actually picked up and we're going for a downwinder. The boat is basically going to another spot. It's like 1.5 hours for the boat. So we are just gonna follow the boat. And what the sick thing is that the boat is probably gonna generate some cool waves. So maybe I can get some kickers from the boat like the whole 1.5 hours and get some more height out of that. So yeah, let's see, it's gonna be sick.
The one in front of us, so this is the way where we are going. So we are going to follow the big boat. We are not allowed to be in front of the boat. I will say it again, not allowed to be in front of the boat. And somehow in between here, there is some reefs, so the captain will slow down to get away from the reefs. So also we need to slow down, maybe we can ride upwind, we can enjoy, but don't go in the front of the boat. So I'm going to be the leader of the group, okay? So now we can start doing the lines, the kites. You can warm up here, okay, until the big boat takes off the rope. And when you see the boat moving, I will give sign to Saif or to you, then you can start to go down. All right? Thank you guys.
Perfect. Okay, let's go and launch my kite now. I was really thinking about if I would go on 9-meter Rebel or the 10-meter, but I'm glad that I took the 10-meter because it's really nicely powered, but the Rebel would just have been a little bit too light, and when the boat is riding I cannot just switch to my hydrofoil mid-downwinder, so I had to make one choice. That was the first jump. Okay, so we're still waiting for the boat to move, but this is the little warm-up and it's also a lot of fun. Woo! A triple flip. So the boat just started to move. We're gonna kite behind this. This is gonna be fun. I can jump so close to the boat. It's sick. It was a sick combination. I'm getting better at that one. I can jump back to back, it's so much fun. Jumping so close to the boat. This is a pretty intense cardio workout. I'm gonna be tired after this session, but it's gonna be fun. I think they're enjoying it on the boat that I'm jumping there every time. We also got some nice music on the boat, so that's also good. That one was very stylish. And if you're wondering where all the other people from the boat are, they're riding here. But luckily no one is jumping close to the boat, so I got my own place. They switched the direction of the boat for a second, so now the takeoffs are a lot easier. Adrian and Colin are also filming like everything, so that will also be online soon. Probably before you watch this vlog already. So stay tuned for the footage, because I think it's gonna be cool shots from the boat. So the wind just dropped here a little bit and it's super choppy here, but maybe it will pick up again. But the spot where we started is mostly like the strongest wind island, so yeah, maybe not. Close to the boat again, but I know how close I can get, so I'm okay. Let's try it closer. landed it with the flip. I'm starting to land that trick so consistent. Feels so good. The osmosis is also getting better and better. Finally. I've not crashed a single one of them yet. This is definitely the most fun way of downwinding that I've ever done. There's only missing a little bit of wind, but it's still a lot of fun. Want to try some tricks with my left hand as well, but then I have to steer my kite like to the boat, so I'm a bit scared to do that. And I can only find an okay takeoff super close to the boat, but maybe I will try just a bit further away. The wind literally dropped to like 15 knots or less. It's really light. There are some really cool rocks where like the land starts. Let's explore it a little bit. I only have to watch out for stones in the water, but let's see. Look at this. The waves are breaking there, but I think there's only coral. So yeah, here's all coral, so I'll make sure to not go too close to or ruin myself or ruin my board. This is a fun little spot, but look in the water. Stones everywhere. But this could be good here. Like even some waves, let's catch one. If I have some power. Oh! Yeah! Oh! Somehow, because of the land there, it gives you more lift, but it's too sketchy to do a lot of tricks here because it's super shallow. Oh, it looks like there's a really nice shallow spot over here, but I don't want to risk this. Definitely too shallow here. I just found some blue water without coral, so let's do a jump. Let's go back. There's coral here all over the place, and the boat is going there. I think you can see it, and I have to follow the boat. This is so good about a foil kite. It generates a lot of power in the loops, so I can easily go downwind instead of going with a tube kite. It looks like that there's a really sick spot over here. And it's super crowded, but it looks sick, so let's go there now, before the boat is there already. Some birds. But it looks like a super big lagoon. Let's go there. So we just arrived at the spot, but I'm trying to figure out where I have to jump, because I'm at Really nice flat spot here. Super nice, but the wind is just too gusty because of the land. So I think I will try the left side again, and maybe a little bit more further in the chop I can get some good gusts, but here it's too gusty. Caught the magic gust on the first jump. You cannot really see it because of the blue water, but it's super choppy. But I can go to the sandbar, that's better. I'm still flying. What the fuck? Oh. Okay, I'm gonna try to jump in the exact same spot every time and see if I can catch some more of those magic gusts. Oh, this is really the spot to jump. I think I found it. Oh, this is gonna be sick. Hey, let's try it again. Oh, no, not this time. Okay, I'm gonna try a jump to the left in the exact same spot. Oh, no. I guess you have to be lucky. Still managed to get it on the grab handle. So I'm going back to the beach to take a break after this downwinder because it was super intense, just jumping back to back. And after that I will ride a bit myself and I will record some stuff from my session tomorrow. I think tomorrow is gonna be the last kite day here in Egypt. I think we're gonna stay at this spot, so I hope you enjoyed this downwinder and I will see you guys on my last day in Egypt tomorrow.